What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how rage bait these waves are. Because literally, when you think there's an opening, there's no opening. And then kids come up here and smack you right when there is an opening. But this game is so rage bait because literally there's never a freaking opening to go through. I mean, that was so lucky right there. And then when you finally make it to the end, look, there's an opening right when you make it to the end. Bro, what is this, bro? And then you have to wait like 25 billion minutes and hours for a celestial to spawn. And they just never spawn. So rage bait. But I'm gonna unpause it until I find a celestial. Okay guys, the celestial has just spawned. I'm gonna try to get it. Okay. Let's go. Another one for the books. Peace out, guys.